Okay, Vivek. So let's start your mock. You are appearing for. You will appear for ISRO interview.
Yes, sir.
So let's start your mock for ISRO. And today you want snap for thermodynamics. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So Vivek, my first question is to you. You know, in thermodynamics, we define system, the surrounding, the universe. What do you mean by system first?
Uh, Sir, a system is any region in a space which is under our observation or where we want to focus our study.
Mm-hmm.
And there are different kind of systems also. For example, closed system, open system, and isolated system.
So somewhere you heard about system approach, control volume approach. What do you mean by that? In thermodynamics, we sometimes say this is like we need to apply system approach. We need to apply the control volume approach. What do you mean by that?
Volume is another term which is used for an open system. So if I am saying that I want to apply the support for a control volume, then the mass, then there is also mass interaction within the system. So our so
System. What do we use for a closed system? Where
sir, I am talking about control volume, sir.
control volume. Fine, fine.
Okay, okay.
Yes, go ahead.
Control volume way I'm talking about. The control volume is used for an open system,
Mm-hmm.
and where the mass can also the energy interaction can also take place in the form of mass.
Mm-hmm.
So it is not desirable, not it is not desirable to use mass as a system because it is continuously moving. First, it is entering and then leaving the system. So it is a more appropriate way to define a control volume where we can focus our study.
Can you give me some example like where actually we apply this control
Uh,
mass approach, means the system approach, and
yes,
where we apply the control volume approach?
sir.
What
Sir, system approach or closed system approach is applied in a piston cylinder arrangement
Mhm.
without any walls. And for example, a room which is insulated and there is no mass flow in and out of the system. And control volume approach can be applied in certain mechanical devices like turbines, pumps, boilers, condensers, etc.
Why we apply this system approach on a piston cylinder arrangement? Like, you know, if you will take consider a IC engine, that is not a closed system, that is a kind of open system only. Why
Yes,
we
sir.
are applying this system approach?
Sir, for the suction and the exhaust stroke, the IC engine is works as an open system. But for compression and power stroke, it works as a closed system.
Mhm.
And from an IC engine, we extract power from the power stroke only, and it works as a closed system for the power stroke. So that's why we use it, I think.
Okay. I just suppose if you will consider a turbine. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So how you will apply that control volume approach? Just tell me that. Like you can consider some turbine and you can go ahead with this control volume approach. So what you will write? How you will solve that problem?
Sir, I will use the steady flow energy equation for it
Mhm.
since we have also mass interaction in a turbine.
Mhm.
And I will take the boundary of the turbine as boundary of the outlet of the turbine is as the boundary of the system, and I can use that steady flow energy equation to study the energy interaction in this turbine.
Mhm. Okay. Can you write this steady flow energy equation, Vivek?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Uh, so can you see it?
No, actually, light reflection is coming.
One second, sir. So now you can see.
Mhm. Okay. So it is not visible. Okay, fine, fine, fine.
Sir, I can tell it verbally also.
Ah, okay, okay. Just turn on the light. Vivek. Okay.
Sir,
Vivek, fine. Just tell me, like, suppose if you want to write, you know, there is some Euler's equation in fluid mechanics.
yes, sir.
Okay. Is there any similarity between this steady flow energy equation and the Euler equation?
Sir, Euler's equation is
Mhm. Euler, yes,
equation
yes.
of conservation of momentum. Yes,
Mhm.
but if we integrate the Euler's equation, then we will reach to Bernoulli equation.
Yes,
And
yes.
it is the conservation of mechanical energy.
So with some assumption, can you try to get that equation, Euler's equation, with that steady flow energy equation?
From Euler's equations, from Euler's equation,
No, I'm asking you from steady flow energy equation. Can you try to get the Euler's equation
from
with some assumptions?
So one sec. Sir, if I take the temperature change to be zero,
Mm-hmm.
sir, if I take the temperature change to be zero,
Mm-hmm.
then the change in the internal energy is going to be zero.
Okay.
But there is going to be a flow work,
Mm-hmm.
which is in the form of P1 into V1, where V1 is the specific volume, and
Mm-hmm.
it is inverse of the density.
Mm-hmm.
So this equation will ultimately be converted into Bernoulli equation, sir. Because P1
Just tell
V1
me the
cannot.
assumption. Just tell me the assumption.
Sir, I'm assuming that there is no heat interaction,
Okay.
and no heat interaction, no work interaction,
Mm-hmm.
and there is no temperature change also.
Mm-hmm.
So that the internal energy is constant, and
Mm-hmm.
enthalpy is equal. So if I equate the two sides, then it will be equal to
Any
Bernoulli's
any
equation.
any other assumption other than this?
Uh, Sir, as of perspective of Bernoulli, or matlab,
No, when you are writing that Euler's equation from this steady flow energy equation, what
yes,
other
sir.
assumptions are required? What about incompressible flow? That is
Okay, sir.
required.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Incompressible flow is required because to make the density constant, to assume the density to be
Because
constant and not a
if
function
you
of
will
pressure.
write the dH, that is du plus pdv plus vdp.
VDP, yes, sir.
So if you want to neglect that term or make that term zero, pdv, so that will be zero only when if you will assume the flow incompressible. Are you getting, Vivek?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Fine. So what this equation is telling us?
Sir, steady flow energy equation, sir.
Yes, yes. What do
Sir,
you
it
mean by
is
steady flow? Just give me some like idea. What do you mean by steady flow?
a steady flow. It is a flow in which the properties of a particular system
Mm-hmm.
does not vary with time.
Mm-hmm.
And this equation tells us that the energy within the system at any point of time is going to remain constant
Mm-hmm.
as the mass enters and leaves the system.
Mm. Okay. So if you will write this equation for a throttling device,
Okay, sir.
so what you will get?
Uh, Sir, I will assume that I'm assuming that there is the change in kinetic and potential energy to be zero,
Mm-hmm.
and for throttling device it is an adiabatic process.
Mm-hmm.
So heat interaction is also zero. There is so the enthalpy is going to be equal.
Just tell me why it is adiabatic. Why throttling is adiabatic?
Sir, actually area through which the area of a throttling or area or the volume of the throttling device is very less,
Mm-hmm.
and it is a very fast process also. So
Mm-hmm.
both of these combination makes it adiabatic because for heat interaction to take place, we need some area and some time, and we are not giving that throttling device
So Vivek,
that
what
much.
will happen if you are carrying out throttling of some gases? What will happen? Like enthalpy is constant, so temperature will remain constant.
Uh, so actually, for a gas, temperature may increase, decrease, or remain constant. It
Mm-hmm.
depends on the Joule-Thomson coefficient, where that at what point we are starting the throttling process, and at what point we are ending it.
What is that Joule-Thomson coefficient, Vivek? Can you show me?
The graph,
Ah, yes, yes.
Is it visible, sir?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yes, yes. Mm-hmm. Fine. Yes, visible, visible.
Yes, sir.
So what this graph is representing?
Sir, it is basically representing. Sir, actually, in throttling, our most of the time our main aim is the of a gas. So, if I will start the throttle at this point. So pressure is going to decrease in throttling.
Mm-hmm.
So I will be getting a cooling effect if I start from this point. So it gives us a kind of a dividing section that where should we start throttling so that we can get the cooling of a gas.
Mm-hmm.
For example, yes, sir. This
So in which zone, like inversion curve, the Joule-Thomson coefficient is positive in which zone? Like left of this or right of this?
so it is positive in the cooling zone in here this side, sir.
This side. Mm.
Yes, sir.
So what we can do, like if you want to ensure, if we want to ensure the cooling, then
Yes,
what
sir.
we can do?
Sir, we will start the throttling from this point, the maximum point of this curve for a constant enthalpy. So pressure is going to decrease, and the temperature is surely is going to get decreased, as can be seen from this graph. From the topmost point, we can start throttling. The pressure and temperature we can take
That
initially.
pressure is in our hand.
So yes, we can decide it in some. For example, refrigerant in a refrigerator,
Mm-hmm.
we can decide the inlet and outlet condition in the throttling
So in
by
condenser, like in condenser, like
yes,
suppose air is entering somewhere, suppose you're using air.
yes, sir.
So air is coming out from some kind of what you can say condenser unit.
Okay, sir.
So what is the pressure here that we can control, but it is not in our hand because according to the heat rejection, what temperature you need to reject, condenser temperature, you need to maintain that pressure. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
So Joule-Thomson coefficient is property. Is a property of gas or what?
But it is a quite so that I don't have any idea about it. Sorry.
Okay. So, and what about throttling of liquids? Same thing will happen in liquids also.
So for liquid, sir, it is sir Joule Thomson effect.
No, if you are carrying out throttling of liquid, what will happen? The temperature will increase, decrease, or what?
Sir, I think for liquid it will remain the same.
Temperature will remain the same.
For liquids, yes, sir.
But when we are carrying out throttling of liquid in VCRS system, the temperature is decreasing. In VCRS, what we use? We
Okay,
use
okay. Yes,
throttling
sir.
of
The throttling
liquids.
device.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry. Yes, sir. It can decrease, sir. Sorry, sir.
Why it will decrease? How it will decrease? Okay, Vivek, my last question is to
Yes.
you. What is dead state?
Dead state, sir.
Hmm.
The dead state is the state in which the system is in equilibrium with the surrounding.
Hmm.
I mean the outside environment,
Hmm.
where we cannot where we cannot expect any kind of work from the device.
Okay. Acha, in minimum words, can you define second law of thermodynamics in what you can say application point of view, conclusion point of view? What information we are getting from second law in comparison with the first law of thermodynamics? Vivek?
The second law is a directional law, which gives us the direction of a process then a process can only occur in a certain direction only. It cannot occur in any random direction or any other direction is that of the increasing entropy, where the entropy is going to increase or the energy of a system is going to degrade.
Increase in entropy of what?
Okay, so of the system, increase in entropy of the system.
So in a process, entropy of the system cannot decrease. You want to say?
No, sir, it can decrease.
But
But
how?
entropy of the universe, sorry, sir. Entropy of the universe should decrease, should increase for a process to
Process
take
is
place.
possible in the direction of the increase in entropy of the universe.
Universe, yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine, Vivek, let me give you the
Yes,
feedback
yes, sir.
because 15 मिनट तक इसको फिक्स करते हैं. So
Okay, sir.
most of the question, Vivek, you answered. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you're looking cool, calm. Even I have not asked you numerical problems type questions, but
Yes, sir.
yes, those type of problems also we can ask if you will arrange some kind of board or with you. Okay, so that
Okay, sir.
uh, next time whenever you will go for full mock or snap mock, you can arrange some kind of thing, you know, at your back.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Because
sir.
even the interviews are online, but yes, they can ask you to stand in front of the board and then they can ask you some problem. Okay, so you
Yes,
need
sir.
to be
Yes, sir.
comfortable like that in front of the board also.
Okay, sir.
Overall, I asked you some question. What is system approach? System approach means there is a closed system. I think there is no need to define system. Everybody is, you can define, but you need to be very clear about system surrounding. What is the size of the system? What do you mean by surrounding? Okay, immediate
Okay, sir.
surrounding से क्या मतलब है?
Okay,
What is
sir.
the size of the universe? Universe doesn't mean entire universe. Universe means the system and the immediate surrounding of the system. The
Surrounding.
reason which is in what you can say, which is actually interacting with the system, that is
Okay.
surrounding.
Okay,
The
sir.
immediate region close to the system which is interacting with the system, that is the surrounding, and system plus surrounding, that is your universe. So the size of universe is not like the universe size. It may be very small, it may be large. Okay,
Okay.
so size of universe is not fixed. Generally we assume the universe means it's a fixed size, it's a large size body. Universe is a small size, it may be small, it may be large, it depends on the size of the system. So system approach, closed system approach we apply when the mass is constant. Okay,
Okay, sir.
closed system पे लगाएंगे, and the control volume approach we apply on the generally on the open system. But we can go ahead with the, we can apply control volume approach and control mass system also, controls what you can say closed system also.
Okay, sir.
I asked you about steady flow energy equation, how to get Euler's equation. तो ठीक है, वो आपने कुछ process बताया, that is right. The heat transfer zero, work transfer zero, and then if you will assume the temperature constant and the incompressible flow, then yes, easily we can write that. तो आपको शुरू कहाँ से करना है? First you need to write the differential form of the steady flow energy equation. अगर वो आपके दिमाग में आ गई, then easily you will get that equation. Are you getting it?
Okay, sir.
With that equation, neglect Q, neglect W, okay, and then write the differential form of the steady flow energy equation. Usse easily you will be able to get the Euler's equation. So sometime, because these two equations are very important in fluid, one is
Yes,
in fluid mechanics, another is in thermodynamics.
yes, sir.
Throttling you answer, throttling आपने ठीक आंसर किया, इन्वर्जन कर्व भी आपने ठीक बनाया, एंड व्हाट इज द रूल ऑफ जूल थॉमसन कोएफिशिएंट, दैट आल्सो यू आंसर. बट थोड़ा सा उसको देख लेना कि जूल थॉमसन कोएफिशिएंट गैसेस के लिए क्या होता है, इट इज अ प्रॉपर्टी. ठीक है,
Okay, sir. Okay.
नॉर्मली जो हमारे पास गैसेस अवेलेबल है उनके लिए, लाइक इफ यू आर कैरिंग आउट द थ्रोटलिंग, यू विल हैव डिक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर, because
Okay,
that is
sir.
the nature
Okay.
of those kind of gases. Because for some of the gases, because there are saturation temperature based on that, so inversion curve will meet at that y-axis na. So you will not have that kind of situation. The pressure, inversion curve पे जो हमें pressure चाहिए, that is not in our hand. Are you getting?
Okay, sir.
We can
Okay.
control that, we can control
Okay, sir.
that, but it depends on the application, it depends on the condenser conditions, because condenser
Okay, sir.
temperature is fixed based on the atmospheric conditions.
Yes, sir.
Condenser temperature is fixed. तो थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में और देखना, जो फ्लूइड की मैं बात
Yes.
कर रहा हूँ. सेकेंड लो ठीक बताया आपने, डेड स्टेट डायरेक्शन की आप बात करें, दैट इज आल्सो राइट, एंड यू टॉक्ड अबाउट द डिग्रेडेशन ऑफ एनर्जी, दैट इज आल्सो राइट. So even if they will ask you further, what do you mean by direction, how we can decide that direction, and what do you mean by degradation of energy, क्या मतलब, and what do you mean by quality of energy, I think you are capable enough and you will be able to answer these type of questions. ठीक है, तो
Thank
मेरे
you.
को ओवरऑल ठीक लगा विवेक,
Okay,
and
sir.
your delivery is fine. So
Okay, sir.
yes, anything if you want to ask, you can ask.
सर थोड़ा ना सर नर्वसनेस सी बनी रहती है, इस वजह से मतलब आंसर नहीं दे पाता हूँ सर ठीक से. फ्रेम करने में बहुत टाइम लगता है आंसर को. मतलब ये चीज पता नहीं है मतलब कैसे सर.
देखो अभी आपने स्नैप मूव दे रहे हो रेगुलर, मेरे साथ कौन सा स्नैप है आपका, मेरे ख्याल
सर
से
पहले अभी तो पहले ही है सर.
अच्छा फर्स्ट स्नैप है.
फर्स्ट
तो
है सर.
अभी आप दो इसको कम से कम 3-4 स्नैप दोगे ना. अभी आपका नाइन्थ को बताया ना आपने, 9th जुलाई.
यस सर. यस सर.
You are having 10-15 days, Vivek. At least give 3 snap with me. एक आपने दे
Okay.
दिया, दो और at least plan करो. Similarly,
Okay, sir.
go for snap with Vijender sir also,
Okay, sir.
Siklani sir also. If you will
Okay.
face different mentor, okay,
Yes, sir.
तो practice है. Like जैसे हम interact करते हैं ना, तो you will
Yes, sir.
feel yourself more confident, comfortable while talking with other person. ठीक है, तो
Okay,
practice
sir.
है और कुछ नहीं है. Go for more and more snaps. That is the only suggestion from my side. तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो आप फील करोगे आफ्टर 6-7 डेज की वो नर्वसनेस जो है वो चला गया.
ठीक है.
ठीक है,
सर आपको सर टिप्स देना चाहें अलग से मतलब
देखो
तो
इसमें
आपको लगा हो कुछ प्रॉब्लम?
नहीं ठीक है, प्रॉब्लम ऐसा कुछ ऐसा मेरे को मेजर प्रॉब्लम नहीं लगा।
ओके
ठीक है,
सर।
रिकॉलिंग में हो सकता है कि रिकॉल करने में आपको टाइम लगे, बिकॉज इसरो में दे विल गिव यू सफिशिएंट टाइम। तो आपको
ओके
बस एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप अप्रोच रखनी है।
ठीक है सर।
any question if they will ask you, even if you are not getting the answer, you need to follow that step by step approach. बिल्कुल step by step चलो। what I feel कि if you will follow that approach, then surely you will be able to reach to some conclusion. And even if you will not reach, then also they will give you the advantage because you are applying that approach. तो approach matters in these
ओके
kind
सर।
of organization ISRO में। तो
यस
आपको
सर।
क्वेश्चन सुन के ब्लैंक नहीं हो जाना है, क्वेश्चन सुन
यस।
के करना है, अच्छा वो करना है तो अभी वो क्या है, यूलर्स इक्वेशन डिफरेंशियल फॉर्म में है तो पहले डिफरेंशियल फॉर्म में लिखना है, फिर उससे आगे आगे विद अजम्पशंस प्रोसीड करना है, रैंडम नहीं चलना है, एक
ओके
एक
सर। ओके।
assumptions लेके चलना है, एक एक assumption और लिखना है। ठीक है,
ठीक है सर। ठीक।
तो गो विद दैट अप्रोच, योर अप्रोच मैटर्स इन इसरो। वो अप्रोच अगर आपने इफेक्टिव वे में रिप्रेजेंट कर दिया, श्योरली यू विल बी एबल टू प्रोसीड। ठीक है,
ओके।
ओके विवेक, गुड लक, कीप
ठीक है।
प्रिपेयर।
ठीक है। थैंक